First, the students are read Goldilocks and the Three Bears, as retold by James Marshall. This is the best book that I found that explores the concept of the word medium, the PE word of the week. Expectations for use of the balloon are reviewed. Then the children are called up to select a balloon, take it to an empty space, and begin exploring hitting the balloon and keeping it moving around them using as many different body parts as they can. Most students agree that the hands give them the best control. So from this point on, we focus on using our hands to keep the balloon moving around us. I give the students a challenge. They have to come up with a pattern using the balloon at all 3 levels, which can be repeated over and over again. I demonstrate what a level pattern looks like. Then the students are given time to develop and work on their own level pattern. Partners are formed. Then they are divided up so that one person is the performer who will be showing their level pattern, while the other person is the audience member. They'll be sitting and watching and trying to solve and figure out what their level pattern is. After having had a chance to watch their partner perform their level pattern, the students give the performer a nice hand for their efforts and then tell them what they think they saw them perform. The performer will tell them what they thought they did, and we'll see how they compare. Okay, let's give those performers a nice hand. Very nice. Audience member, go to your partner and tell them what you thought their pattern was. What level did they start with? How many times? After having had a chance to discuss what they thought they performed and what was observed, the roles are then changed. Sit down after you've discussed it. Sit down after you've discussed it. Our new performers, spread out. You're going to show us your pattern. All right, let's give them a nice hand for their efforts. And audience member is going to go to their partner and tell them what they thought their pattern was. I use this activity to have students practice the concept of levels before we begin using the balloons for volleyball. This activity, which has students taking turns performing for their partner, seems to work out well, especially for students that are anxious about performing in front of a whole class. This lesson has students practice and explore the space concept of levels. It also gives them a chance to perform in front of others and practice good audience skills. Thanks for watching. So long.